Hare Krishna. I'm Dr. Rajeshri Deshmukh, and today we are going to see what is the importance of a Sharat Purnima and what is the importance of taking a sweet rice on this specific night. So let's see scientific reason why this day is very important. On this day, moon is most closer to the earth, and that's why we can take maximum benefit of these light which are coming to the earth. So they give the maximum benefit on this specific night because the moon has a nourishing quality. It nourishes our mind. It is a god of our mind, and it nourishes our mind, and it also nourishes all our dhatus which are there in our body. So that's why it has a specific importance. Also, moon is considered as a god of a mind. So therefore it nourishes the mind also to the full extent. That's why when we stay in the moonlight, it nourishes our mind and it increases the positivity in our mind. Let's see what Ayurveda says about it. In Ayurveda, Sharad Rutu means the Rutu of a Pitta Kala. That means the Pitta is at its highest level, peak level. So it is a Pitta Prakopa Kala. So that's why heat in the body is at the top level, and the climate also very hot. As you know, in the month of October climate is very hot. So therefore to reduce that heat, our acharyas has mentioned to drink the specific type of milk, or to prepare the specific type of sweet rice on this day. Also, Pitta Prakopa Kala, the treatment is mentioned as a Virechanam. And as you know, we are supposed to take this sweet rice, and the milk has a mild laxative quality. So that helps to reduce the Pitta. And again, there are very much benefits are mentioned to stay or to get exposure to the moonlight. So when you get exposed to the moonlight, then your mind also gets strengthened, your dhatus become strengthened. It gives strengthening to your eyes. It is oja vardhaka. It increases your immunity, and it is a virya vardhaka. It increases your potency also. So it nourishes in all the way, mentally also and physically also. Now very important thing is how to prepare the sweet rice. So preferably it is mentioned that you should prepare this sweet rice in the full moon, by giving the exposure to the full moon. So like that's why we prepare the sweet rice on the terrace when it is open, and you get all the rays of the moon while preparing the sweet rice. Preferably you should prepare this sweet rice in a pot of a silver, but if it is not possible, then you can prepare in a other pot, but try to add any pure silver metal or a small part of it into it. The cow milk is you are supposed to take cow milk, and the rice both are pitta pacifying, and in that you add some specific herbs. For example, you add dry ginger powder, you add raisins, you add rock sugar powder, or candied sugar powder, and then saffron also you need to add, because all these things are going to reduce your pitta. And it should be prepared by using cow ghee, because cow ghee is the main ingredient which reduces pitta. That's why even though we do Virechanam treatment also during this period, we give ghee to the patients, and this ghee is the best pitta pacifying. Preferably when you prepare it in a full moonlight, in an open space, then this milk which has a lactic acid has the maximum capacity to absorb the rays of the moon, and then you get the benefit when you take it. Then the procedure to consume it. When you prepare this sweet rice, then you keep it overnight till the Brahma Muhurta on the same platform on the terrace only, and then you cover it with some muslin cloth or something, so that insect doesn't fall in it. and then keep it like that in the on the terrace, and then you on the Brahma Muhurta you offer it to Lord Krishna, you offer it to moon, you offer it to the Ashwini Kumar, who are the demigods doctor. So when you offer them and pray for the good strength, vitality and immunity, then you keep some part of it for the birds, you keep some part of it for the cow, and you keep some part for other animals, and then you accept this sweet rice. When you accept this sweet rice, and if you are awake whole night for praying to Lord and taking the lights of the rays of the moon on your body, then definitely your pitta is going to come down, and definitely your all strength and vigor is going to come up. It is also the qualities of this sweet rice are it also reduces the skin problem if they are because of the pitta predominance. It is mentioned that it is good for the asthma related problems also, and that's why you offer it and have this sweet rice, and don't lose the opportunity to get the strength from the moon. Thank you. Hare Krishna.